Retail Management, Masters of Commerce, 4th semester, Mangalore University, Session 22. Retail Marketing. In this session, you are going to learn about retail pricing. Learning objective: to understand about the retail pricing. Session outcome: the students will be able to understand about the factors influencing retail prices. The bitterness of poor quality remains along after low price is forgotten, which was told by Leon M. Cortillo. We as customers often get to read advertisements from various retailers saying quality product for right price. This leads to following questions such as what is the right price and who sets it? What are the factors and strategies that determine the price for what we buy? The core capability of the retailers lies in pricing the products or services in a right manner to keep the customers happy, recover investment for production, and to generate revenue. So what is retail pricing? The price at which the product is sold to the end customer is called the retail price of the product. Retail price is the summation of the manufacturing cost and all the costs that retailers incur at the time of charging the customer. Factors influencing retail prices. Retail prices are affected by the internal and external factors. The internal factors that influence the retail price include the following. The first is the manufacturing cost. The retail company considers both fixed and variable cost of manufacturing the product. The fixed cost does not vary depending upon the production volume. For example, property tax. The variable cost include the varying cost of raw material and cost depending upon volume of production. For example, labor. The next is the predetermined objectives. The objective of the retail company varies with the time and market situations. If the objective is to increase return on investment, then the company may charge a higher price. If the objective is to increase the market share, then it may charge a lower price. Image of the firm. The retail company may consider its own image in the market. For example, companies with large goodwill such as Procter & Gamble can demand a higher price for their products. Product status. The stage at which the product is in its product life cycle determines its price. At the time of introducing the product in the market, the company may charge a lower price for it to attract new customers. When the product is accepted and established in the market, the company increases the price. Promotional activity. If the company is spending high cost on advertising and sales promotion, then it keeps product price high in order to recover the cost of investments. Store policies. The store policies and the images to be created also influence the pricing of a product. Retailers who want to create a prestige image may opt for a higher pricing policy, while the retailer who wants to penetrate the market may decide to offer a value for money proposition. Next is the external factors. External prices that influence the retail prices include: first one, the competition. Competition in case of high competition, the prices may be set low to face the competition effectively, and if there is less competition, the prices may be kept high. The competition for the product and the competitor's price for similar product in the market also need to be taken into consideration. In case a product is unique and does not have any competition, it can command a premium prices. On the other hand, in case after a fair number of similar products in the market, the prices of such product need to be taken into consideration before fixing the price. Next is buying power of consumers. The sensitivity of the consumer towards price variation and purchasing power of the customer contribute to setting the price. Government policies. Government rules and regulation about manufacturing and announcement of administered prices can increase the price of the product. Market condition. The economic conditions prevalent at the times play a major role in pricing the policy. For example, during an economic slowdown, prices are generally lowered to generate more sales. The demand and supply situation in the market also affects prices. If the demand is more than the supply, prices can be premium. However, when supply is more than the demand, prices had to be economical. Levels of channels involved. The retailer has to consider number of channels involved from manufacturing to retail and their expectations. The deeper the level of channels, the higher would be the product prices. Demand. Demand for the product and the target market. Who is this product meant for, and what is the value proposition for the consumer? In some cases, the price of the product is linked to the quality. This is generally in the case of products like electronics, where a high priced product is perceived to be good quality. On the other hand, for products like designer clothing, a certain section of the population may be willing to pay a premium price. Hence, it is very essential that the buyer is clear about the target market for the producer and the value proposition that they would look for.